freaking logins, my God, I'll do it later. So this is the midday decline with increasing momentum as we move forward through the hour. That's midday. That's the trade opportunity, I believe, right at 12 o'clock. And then there should be a big move. We should be in the midst of a big move higher already. If you were following along yesterday, I told you about the puts that I had. I sold those first thing in the morning. Made a decent chunk. Yeah, so for the remainder of the day, we should have, so this star card here between roughly 1 and 2 o'clock, just after the trade opportunity, is a significant card. It was the sneak preview card from the prior day, giving it more weight. So I'm looking for a pop. We also have a double X here. I'm looking for a pop higher off of that low opportunity, that lull there. We should have a pop higher. I'll get out of calls that I purchased, and right around, like, I'll probably get out of the calls around like 145-ish, most likely. And then there's another trade opportunity at the end of the day. It's likely, that one's a little hard for me to read right now, so I'm probably not going to trade that one. But I'm looking for that pop higher. I just opened up a long position, but I purchased some calls. I got to get my dog. Come on, man. So far, we were on point, though. We had a drop here starting at 10:30, right in the midst of that 10 to 11-ish, right, with a notable dip in a period of volatility, right? We had that. That's the Queen of Swords, and that was roughly between, that was about 11:40. So boom, right there's that sharp dip, and that brought us into the Prince of Cups, which is the 12 o'clock hour, right? And the Prince of Cups was an opportunity at a low, and then we have that move higher. And so, guys, if you're live here, you have a question about a stock or whatnot, I can throw a card for you and see what's up. You just got to put it in the comments. If you want to know about a stock you're in, should you buy? Should you ask the question? Should you buy so and so stock? Should you sell so and so stock? Should you invest in yada yada? Those are questions that I don't like. Should have questions. You can ask. Why don't you ask me, like, what behavior? What's the behavior of this stock going to be over so and so time? And I'll drop one card. It'll be generalized, but it'll be accurate. All right, well, basically, I came on just to update everybody here as far as that opportunity and where we are. Looks like a pretty good scalp opportunity here. So I'm looking for that pop higher. In the midst of that pop higher, I'll be selling the call that I purchased. If we drop then from there, which is likely, there's a crest, guys. There's a crest at the end of the week. So, but I'll probably I'll get out around the 145 mark on these calls. What did I get? Let's see here. I got 382 calls expiring on the 29th for $3. I got in a little bit late because I was busy with this freaking Twitch giving me a hard time streaming. Like, oh, that aggravates me when I'm trying to do something fast because of the market. The market doesn't wait for anybody, you know. So, but in any case, I still got in an opportunity moment. It looks like just before we really have this pop higher, and that's what I'm looking for. So it'll be a quick trade. And then there's a cash-in opportunity at the end of the day. I held on to some really cheap, deep out-of-the-money puts, looking for a better opportunity to sell them. I got them at 33 cents. They're the 350s. And they expire on the 27th, so I really need, when I see a next opportunity to get out at even or a little bit above, I'll probably pop out of those. I was expecting more of a drop early in the morning. All right, guys, well, that's where I'm at right now. Thank you for watching. Oh, wow, there's a ton of people on TikTok. Guys, if you have questions, right, I'm a professional day trader. I have 22 years of stock market experience. I'm an ex-Wall Street stockbroker. I mean, I've been trading using primarily tarot for over 17 years. And now we're at a place where we can predict by the hour with an average 98% average accuracy. Guys, you don't need to believe me. I'm not going to sit here and like guess what color you're thinking of. I really don't give a shit if you believe me. All of the evidence is there. You don't even need to look at it. Why? Because all of the remaining days of June and all of the remaining days of July are already posted on YouTube. We don't take them down good, bad, or ugly. That's where we get our 98% average accuracy. You have 10 statements, 9 of them are correct. That's a 90% accuracy. And that's how we rate it. And you can very well measure our predictions. It's not like, well, did he mean that person? Did he mean this situation that might happen? No, it's a chart, guys. You can measure it. All right, and find somebody else with that type of experience. I'd love to meet them. I taught myself how to do this, so if there's somebody else out there doing it, oh man, I'd love to meet them. In any case, guys, if you got a ticker you're interested, a stock market, an investment, a crypto, shoot it out in the comments there, and I'll do a quick one card, give you an idea of where I see it going next. And we're talking, let's say, we could do the rest of the week. Where it's going over the rest of the week. So throw a ticker at me, throw a crypto at me, throw a commodity. You want to see silver, you want to see gold. That's what I'm here for, guys. And I got to get my dog again. All right, guys, so right now, if you've been following along on our YouTube channel, then you made money this morning. You made money overnight and cashed out this morning on those puts. And you're likely in a long position now looking for a scalp. That's where we're at, guys. I'm looking for pop higher on the SPY, one-day chart right now, over the next hour. And then around about 1:45, I'm looking to exit the calls that I purchased for a day trade. Throw a ticker at me in the comments, guys, if you're interested and you want to see something. Taking requests for stocks, commodities, crypto. Just throw the investment at me, my friends. I'm more than happy to throw down one card and get an idea of what it's going to do for the remainder of the week. It's generalized, but it'll give you an idea from this moment forward through the rest of the week, what that investment is looking like on a stock chart. I gotta get my dog. I don't know what he's doing. All right, guys, throw a ticker at me. If you're popping on to TikTok and you're interested in getting a card thrown for whatever investment you're interested in. Give me the stock ticker, give me the crypto, give me the commodity, and we'll take a look. Free of charge, guys. We're not charging for this type of stuff, although you can when you make money. Yeah, guys, throw a ticker at me. I'm sitting here, I'm checking out the stocks. What we're looking at right now is we're looking for a pop higher to scalp out of a long position that I opened up on the SPY. We're looking at if you're live on YouTube or Facebook, you're seeing the live SPY chart, the S&P 500, right next to our day's prediction for the day, for the 22nd, and it's predicting the behavior of the S&P 500 by the hour. We have these all the way through July now. Matter of fact, I left one out. I'm going to have to do that real quick. I'm going to do that right now.